In this video, we are going to talk about the human vocal tract, exactly the organ of speech. In the next picture, we are going to see the human vocal tract, the nasal cavity, hard palate, soft palate, also called velum, pharynx, epiglottis, larynx, vocal cords, also called glottis, esophagus, trachea, lungs, our teeth, our lips, oral cavity, the tongue, and the jaw. The nasal cavity, the nose and its cavity also be considered as a speech organ. The sounds which are produced with the mouth are called nasal sounds. The soft palate, also called velum, and the hard palate. The soft palate is concave part of the roof of the mouth. Is situated in the middle of part of the roof. And the soft palate, the lower part of the roof of the mouth, is called soft palate. It could be lower and rise. The pharynx lies between the mouth and the foot passage. That is just above the larynx. It is just about 7 meters long in the case of the woman and 8 meters long in the case of men. The larynx covers the epiglottis, the esophagus, the vocal cords, the glottis, and the subglottis. What about this picture? You can see a human epiglottis and our vocal cord when it is closed and when it is open. In the back part, you can see the trachea. Now the trachea is covered all of this. The trachea, locally called the one pay, is the larynx tube that connects pharynx and larynx to the lungs, allowing the passage of air, and so is present in almost all air-breathing animal and human lungs. What about the lungs? That let of breath. Phonetic studies human speech is produced by breathing air from the lungs to the larynx. I mean the respiration. When the vocal folds may be held open to allow the air to pass through the main vibration to make a sound. I mean the phonation. The air from the lungs is then shaped by the articulator in the mouth and nose. I mean the articulation. What about our lips? Our lips, we have the upper lips and the lower lips. Also, our upper teeth and our lower teeth. The lips also play an important role in the model of articulation. They can be preset together or brought into contact with the teeth. The consonant sound with are articulated by touching two lips each other are called bilabial sounds. And the sounds which are produced by lips to teeth, when we touch our lip with our teeth, is called labiodental sound. And what about our tongue? Our tongue is responsible for the production of many speech sounds, since it can move very fast to different places and is also capable of assuming different shapes. Our tongue is divided into 4 parts: the tip, the blade, the front, the back. Here we have the center and our rope that is in the back of our tongue. And we have our jaw. Some phonetics consider the jaw as articulations, since we move lower jaw a lot of the time of speaking. So, as you can see, we have the different part of our articulation that we can make very sound. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.